People are the only remaining source for sustainable competitive advantage.
When I was leading a large organization, I found one of the most difficult tasks was to maintain my focus on the future, to develop my leaders, future leaders, and my people, and not be consumed by my day-to-day schedule.
Nothing is more important to the future of an organization than building a bench of leaders.
What's critical for you is to make sure your folks understand where they're going, how they are going to get there, and giving them the tools to do so.
In any company, developing leadership for the future is absolutely essential.
Anyone who's going to look at developing leadership, and their leaders in particular, ought to do it based on science, on research, not on somebody's flavor of the month. And there's a lot of that in today's world.
Nearly everything we do is done with and through people. We achieve success when we align their efforts with a common goal. And that's what we do with the Leadership Challenge programs.
The Leadership Challenge program's seminar series addresses 3 universal challenges that all leaders face. 1, decision making. 2, change management. And 3, conflict resolution. The Leadership Challenge program is based on raising individuals' awareness and helping them to accept their strengths and weaknesses. We then place this knowledge in the context of those around them, and finally tie it all together in the context of the organizational culture.
The Leadership Challenge programs are unique. There's no pilot. There are 4 programs sequentially designed and developed. They stand alone, and yet they stack one on top of the other. First line supervisor all the way to the top.
The first level is for new employees, where onboarding correctly enhances productivity quickly. The second level is for first-time supervisors, when employees begin to worry about others and not just themselves. The third level is for first-time organizational leaders, when integrating and synthesizing skills are needed to produce mission results. And the fourth level is for organizational leaders who need to vision and to grow leaders in the organization.
The Leadership Challenge program is truly different from any other leadership course I have taken. It is so easy to understand. It is data-driven, it is practical and interactive.
The Leadership Foundry is built on 3 very important principles. First, one size does not fit all for leadership development. The development must reflect the culture of the organization. So the Leadership Foundry helps you find the right solution for your unique challenges. We don't give you a prescribed system or steps for success. Second, employees' time is critically important. All of our offerings are focused, impactful, in 3 days or less. And third, the leadership programs must provide practical tools that participants can use on the first day. All of our instructors are experienced in real-world leadership challenges.
If you want to know the value of a training program, ask the people who have attended it. And don't just ask them once. Ask them again a year later if they're still using what they learned.
Our participants tell us how effective the Leadership Challenge program actually is. With over 3,000 of them, they have on average rated the LCP 98% effective for value to them. Also important, 95% of those same participants 1 year later say they're using what they learned.
The most rewarding thing about the Leadership Challenge program that is even months after the class, people are still coming up to me sharing the value and how it has truly changed their lives.